Hey mathematicians, Mrs. Dahl here with another Math Minutes. You can see at the top of my whiteboard I have the word coins. So today we're just going to look at the two sides of the coin, really get a good look at them closely, and just remind ourselves of the names of each coin. So the first coin I have here in my hand is a penny. And for part of our rhyme that we've practiced, the part with the penny says, penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So the penny is the only coin that is a different color. It's not silver. And you can see this is the tails side. It even says the word 1 cent, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. So here's the tail side. And of course the head side has a head on it. You can also notice it has a year on it and some other things, so take a good look at that. I'll set that here on my board, and that again is the penny. If you're using a whiteboard like you do sometimes to write along with me, go ahead and write penny. Sometimes when we're practicing coins at school, we just put a circle with the letter P for penny. And of course, we can also do the value. And the value of a penny is 1 cent. So we use this C with a line through it to show the term for cents. 1 cent. All right, that's our penny. Let's take a look at our next coin. Remember, that's the only one that's copper or brown or a different color. All the rest of them that we're going to look at are silver. So tell me, what kind of coin is this? Take a good look at the head side. What do you notice? And the tail side, see if you can notice a number word on there. What do you notice? So this is a, nickel. Nickel, nickel, thick. You can see how thick it is, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So you can go ahead and write along with me. We can do an N for the word nickel, and here's how you spell nickel. And it is worth 5 cents. All right, let's take a look at our next coin. What do you notice? Here's the head side. Here's the tail side. Oh, do you see that at the bottom there? It says 1 dime. That's right. This is a dime. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. So not $10, of course, 10 cents. So this is a dime. And it's dime, dime, little and thin. So let's compare it with our nickel. You can see the size difference between the nickel and the dime. Even though the dime is worth more since it's worth 10, it's smaller. So just because this one is bigger doesn't mean it's worth more. And you can see it's much thinner than the nickel. So a bit of a size difference. Nickel, dime, nickel, dime, nickel, dime, nickel, dime, nickel, dime, dime, nickel. All right, we'll set these back here on my whiteboard. And finally, the fourth coin that we commonly use is this guy. So take a good look at it. Here's the head side and the tail side. Do you see that word at the bottom that starts with the Q? Quarter dollar. A quarter dollar. So it's quarter or 1/4 of a dollar. So 4 of those would make a dollar. That is a quarter. Quarter. Quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I'm told. So the value of a quarter is 25 cents. So let's take a look and let's read our coins together. We have penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. All right, so go ahead at home and get out those 4 coins, a penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Take a really good look at them, feel them in your hands, see what you notice. And you can even put them on a piece of paper and write out what we did here and say the poem if you need to. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, brown, and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, you're worth 5 cents. I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I'm told. So go ahead and keep watching this video and practice along until you memorize the names and the values of each of those 4 important coins. Awesome. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.